I could drink this.
Good, because you're going to.
Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and Friday Night Cocktails.
Yes. So today we are doing probably, I would say, one of the most well-known aperitif cocktails.
Aperitivo?
Yeah, something like that.
That's what it's called.
Yeah.
Aperitivo.
We're having an Americano. So this is a, very, very popular over in Italy, and super simple and low ABV. So you can drink these throughout the day and not worry about.
Sit on the piazza and watch people and sip.
Yeah.
Americanos.
It's very and very simple. It's just Campari, sweet vermouth, soda, and a lime wheel, or an orange wheel. That would be an orange. That would be an orange.
We're going to work on our fruits and vegetables after this.
Yes, thank you. Give me a coloring book.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Yeah, it's really, so I'm going to actually, to build it, I'm going to build it in the glass. We're going to do the ice. Get the ice in there. That's good. And then we're going to do an ounce. I think I'm going to
do this one with 7-Up too, alternative?
No. I think 7-Up is outlawed in Italy.
Okay.
So that's my assumption.
But Campari is not. Campari is a favorite.
Yeah, Campari, I love Campari. I know that you...
it looks like a Shirley Temple coming up, but I know that's not what it's going to be.
Shirley Temple. So for our sweet vermouth, we're using the Carpano, the Antica formula, which is, I've said in other videos, that is the only sweet vermouth you should have and use. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this off my bar spoon. We're just going to top that. Okay, we're going to throw in a couple oranges, and that's really all there is to it. Now you would probably, and it would be served this way, and then, I guess I just wanted to show it to you, but then to actually drink it, you're going to want to...
So you don't just get club soda with a Campari chaser?
Right, yeah. If you waited and drank that, I wouldn't mind drinking all Campari and sweet vermouth. But it's a pretty drink. It kind of looks like an Aperol Spritz.
Yeah,
so
it's very similar.
Ladies first, please. Tell me what you think. And imagine you're...
sitting on a piazza
in
Italy.
In June, 85 degrees.
That would be a cold day in June. Not my favorite.
Is that a strong no thank you or a soft no thank you?
I'm not a Campari or Aperol fan. It's too bitter for me, and
I could drink this.
Good, because you're going to.
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
It's light, it's refreshing, but it's just got that. If you like Campari, you'll love it. If you don't like Campari, it probably won't be your first choice.
I don't know. I guess I've just always liked Campari. And now this is the lighter version of a Negroni. So.
Oh, see, and I don't like those either.
So
thanks for not telling me that.
Right,
it's all right. I tried it.
So yeah,
it's
basically the Negroni, instead of soda, you have gin. So that is all spirits, and you're not going to want
a sip all day.
Yeah, no, this would be something, and you could manage how strong this is by adding more club soda to it.
It's still going to taste like Campari, though.
It probably will. Yes. So. Okay. So there you go. There's your Americano. Hope you've enjoyed this. When you are all done for the week on your Friday, put your feet up, have your favorite cocktail of choice, and
be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants. And a cocktail on Friday.
See ya.